Choosing the best window replacement options for Eastpointe Michigan homes starts with matching the product to the house, the exposure, and the budget. For many homeowners, the strongest value comes from vinyl window replacement services Eastpointe MI because vinyl is low maintenance, durable, and cost-effective in a four-season climate. If the goal is better comfort and lower utility bills, energy-efficient window replacement. Eastpointe Michigan should be a top priority, especially for homes dealing with winter heat loss and summer humidity. The best replacement windows for homes in Eastpointe Michigan usually balance insulation, ease of operation, and long-term value. A window replacement Eastpointe MI cost guide should always account for material, style, labor, and any frame repair needed during installation. Entry-level replacement windows. Eastpointe Michigan pricing may work for basic upgrades, while high-performance replacement windows in Eastpointe MI 48021 can deliver stronger insulation and better noise control. Window replacement estimates Eastpointe Michigan can vary depending on whether the project includes single units, whole home replacement, or custom sizing. Homeowners looking for window replacement quotes. Eastpointe MI and surrounding areas should compare product quality, warranty coverage, and the reputation of the installer before making a decision. How to choose replacement windows in Eastpointe MI depends on more than appearance. The right selection should consider window orientation, air leakage, condensation resistance, and how much maintenance the homeowner wants to handle. Michigan climate-ready replacement windows. Eastpointe MI are designed to handle freezing temperatures, strong winds, and seasonal expansion and contraction. For homes with aging wood frames, window frame and sash replacement, Eastpointe MI may be enough in some cases, but full residential window replacement Eastpointe Michigan is often the better long-term investment when efficiency and comfort matter most. Replacement windows for drafty homes. Eastpointe MI can make a dramatic difference in comfort and energy savings. Many older homes in the area benefit from thermally efficient replacement windows Eastpointe MI that reduce heat transfer and seal out cold air. Window replacement Eastpointe MI for winter efficiency is especially valuable in older neighborhoods where original windows may no longer perform well. Homeowners searching for energy-efficient window replacement in Eastpointe Michigan 48021 often find that double-pane window replacement Eastpointe MI provides a strong mix of insulation, affordability, and everyday performance. The best time of year for window replacement Eastpointe MI is usually spring, summer, or early fall, when temperatures are mild and installation conditions are more predictable. That said, experienced crews can complete projects year-round with the right planning and materials. Homeowners asking how long window replacement takes in Eastpointe MI should know that small projects may be completed in a day, while larger residential window upgrade services in Eastpointe MI 48021 can take longer depending on window count and complexity. Same day, window replacement service Eastpointe MI area may be available for urgent situations or damaged glass. Window installation and window replacement Eastpointe MI should always be handled by licensed professionals who understand local building conditions and proper sealing methods. Licensed window replacement contractors Eastpointe MI 48021 help ensure accurate measurements, secure fitment, and better energy performance. Eastpointe Michigan residential window replacement contractors should also be familiar with older framing, trim repairs, and code requirements. Professional window installers in Eastpointe Michigan 48021 can also advise on materials, styles, and the most practical solution for each room in the home. For homeowners comparing styles, casement window replacement Eastpointe MI is ideal for ventilation and tight seals, while awning window replacement Eastpointe Michigan works well where airflow is needed even during light rain. Picture window replacement Eastpointe MI is a smart choice for maximizing natural light and outdoor views, and bay and bow window replacement Eastpointe MI can add both curb appeal and interior space. Double-hung replacement windows. Eastpointe Michigan installation remains one of the most popular options for traditional homes because it offers easy cleaning and flexible airflow. Custom window replacement. Eastpointe Michigan is useful when existing openings are non-standard or when matching historic architecture. Old window replacement for home improvement. Eastpointe MI can raise property value, improve indoor comfort, and reduce maintenance headaches. Home window upgrade benefits. Eastpointe Michigan often include lower energy loss, better curb appeal, smoother operation, and improved resale potential. Sound-reducing window replacement. Eastpointe MI is especially useful for homes near busier streets or commercial corridors, while soundproof replacement windows for Eastpointe Michigan homes can make bedrooms and living areas noticeably quieter. Residential window upgrade services in Eastpointe MI 48021 can also help modernize the look of the home without requiring a full renovation. Window replacement services in Eastpointe MI for older homes often require special attention to frame condition, plaster or drywall transitions, and trim preservation. Eastpointe Michigan window replacement and installation estimates should include any carpentry needed to correct rot, air leaks, or structural issues around the opening. Window replacement for house renovations in Eastpointe Michigan may also involve matching new windows to updated siding, roofing, or interior design plans. A home window replacement company in Eastpointe Michigan should be able to explain whether full-frame replacement or insert installation is the better choice for the project. Affordable window replacement contractors. Eastpointe MI can still provide strong results if they use quality materials and proper installation methods. Window replacement materials comparison. Eastpointe MI should include vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum clad, and wood options, since each offers different levels of durability, maintenance, and energy performance. Replacement window brands for Eastpointe MI homeowners vary in features, but the best choices typically offer low-E glass, durable seals, and strong warranty support. Trusted window replacement company near Eastpointe, Michigan should also provide clear communication and consistent workmanship across the entire project. Local window replacement solutions. Eastpointe, Michigan homes are often designed around neighborhood architecture, budget goals, and weather exposure. Affordable vinyl window replacement. Eastpointe MI neighborhoods can be a practical choice for homeowners seeking value without sacrificing comfort. Window replacement. Eastpointe MI near 48021 is especially important for residents who want nearby service, faster scheduling, and installers familiar with the area. Custom window installation. Eastpointe MI and nearby Macomb County can also be a strong option for homeowners wanting specialized sizing, upgraded styles, or a more tailored finish. Eastpointe, Michigan residential window replacement contractors who understand local homes can help deliver the best mix of efficiency, appearance, and long-term performance.